with New York Sports Club, so I do get a free gym membership. This is a work project that I got to be a part of. What do we need to do? I only need to be looking at one thing. Thank you.
Or drink must be open.
Because I work for myself, I often feel like I need to get out of the apartment, and I love to try new cafes in the city to work at. I love cooking because it helps me save a ton of money. Here I'm making my favorite dish at the moment, which is Marry Me Chicken. I found the recipe off of Pinterest.
Do I take it up? Okay. Thank you.
Live from Diageo. This place is insane. I was invited to this happy hour, so as a guest, it was completely free, and I had so much fun hanging out with the Diageo team. This was my first New York Pilates class, and your very first class is free, which is such a perk. I ultimately loved the class so much. It was so hard, and this is exactly the type of workouts I like doing, so highly recommend. I work with Gloss Lab to create content on a monthly basis, and I get a discount for all of my services. They look good. Let's go. So weird.
And then you are like down.
I decided not to drink at all this night, so I did not pay anything for the experience, but I had a really fun time seeing this rooftop. And that wraps up my what I spend in a week video. Let me know what you guys think. I also want to give a disclaimer, not every single week looks like this, and everyone's week obviously looks different. Were you surprised about the final total? Do you think it was higher or lower? What did you expect? I have so many more New York City related videos coming. Please remember to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you guys in my next video.